Hi sweet friends, welcome back. Today I thought it would be fun to sit down and share a home decor haul of some early fall decor finds from some of the recent stores we've browsed together. If you've missed those, we already checked out Studio McGee's new release for fall 2024 at Target, as well as Hobby Lobby. So if you're looking forward to seeing what I did pick up, definitely give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy seeing home decor hauls like today's, shop with me's for home decor, as well as decorating. All right, so let's go ahead and get straight into the haul. All right, so starting at Target with the Studio McGee line, I just really fell in love with this hurricane tapered holder. It is so pretty. It's very elegant looking, and many of the items that she actually released for fall can be definitely used for fall decorating, but then it can transition for everyday styling in any season. So this is what it looks like here in the box, and it was $20. Let me go ahead and grab it so you can see it out of the box. All right, so it kind of comes like this. And then you can put just a single taper candle. The one I'm putting in is from Amazon. I just love the honeycomb detail on the side, and also that you can just easily push the button at the bottom, or you can use a remote for this one. But again, I love the color. It's kind of like the perfect color for fall. And then you're just going to put that right on top here and set this maybe on a coffee table or an end table. But isn't that beautiful? I think it's just a understated elegance, and it brings a lot of just ambient glow to your space. You could also add a small decorative like fall wreath or any type of wreath depending on the season to dress this up. Next up from Target is this beautiful marble candle tray. Now this was only $15 originally, which I think is a pretty great price for this. It's very substantial, heavy material. Of course, because it is marble, you're going to get a different look in each cut. So I think this is one of those decor pieces that you need to check out in store, or at least buy a few so you can really choose what type of coloring and veining that you like. Just look at that beautiful beveled edge or fluted detailing, which is super popular right now. This could be used alone on top of some coffee table books. It could be used as a trinket tray next to your kitchen sink, bathroom, or even a nightstand. And then of course it would look gorgeous with a decorative candle with all the fall scents. And so I was super afraid that it would sell out, so I went ahead and grabbed this early. Next up, they had some gorgeous pillows, and during the Target Circle sale, some of those were buy one get one free, but I was actually there early, and so I picked up this lumbar style pillow. I really love plaid for fall, and because it's not like real colorful, I was really instantly drawn to this. I love the brown and cream, and then I thought it was really unique that it had a gold zipper and then it has a leather tie. So I don't know, it just makes it look a little bit more upscale. And this was $22 for this size of lumbar pillow. I only got one because I kind of want to use different ones. If you know, I usually like to incorporate different pillows and combinations for a more kind of designer look. And so I'm really excited to use this during the fall. And I think this can transition right into maybe Christmas and after Christmas decorating, because I'm loving that moody feel. And so this definitely gives me that kind of feeling. Next up is this gorgeous throw rug. Now it measures, I think 25 by 38. Yeah, and so it's going to be a really great size to then layer on a core mat. So I'm thinking this is going to go outside on our front porch. It's a covered area, so I think it'll look really good. But I just love the coloring. It's that beautiful green. It's kind of a sage, but it brings in really neutral but earthy colors. And so I thought this was going to be perfect for fall. And let me just turn it around so you can see some of the beige coloring and all of that. And then if you get real close, you can kind of see it's kind of on the ends. and then it has the green in the center. And then I'll show you what I'm going to be placing on top of this here a little bit later. All right, and so the last item that I want to share with you is a fairly large piece, so I'll go ahead and just insert some footage. So here is the armchair that we have right beside of our fireplace, and I've been wanting to update the look of this area for quite some time, and I just couldn't find the chair that I wanted. And so when the Target Circle sale was going on, I just fell in love with this green boucle swivel chair. I think it is going to look gorgeous here. So I love that it does swivel. We can pull it out a little bit, swivel around, and still be able to maybe watch TV, maybe play video games on it as a family. And it's super, super comfy. It has like a little bit of a stiffness, but it's still cozy. And there's enough room that you can definitely snuggle up with a pillow and blanket. And so I really love this. And I think it just updates and pulls the whole look of where I'm going in my design for our living room. Okay, and so if I didn't mention, the price was a little over $300, and I think that's a great price. It's not super, super expensive for an accent chair, and it's something that I could replace down the road or even rotate in different areas of our home, like our master bedroom, maybe even switch out our office chair. So there's a lot of just opportunity with that chair in the future. All right, so that's basically everything that I got at Target through the Studio McGee line. And so let's move over to Hobby Lobby. Now, Hobby Lobby, I was quite happy with many of the pieces that I saw there. Many times you go through Hobby Lobby and it's just lots and lots of repeats. So in the video, I tried to share with you those items that I thought were new or my absolute favorites. So let's go ahead and start with some wall art. I chose this one. I really love the background. It's very moody looking, and you know that I'm just drawn to that look right now. And how can I resist these gorgeous pumpkins? Pumpkins just have me every time during the fall, but I just love that they added some brush strokes to make it look a little bit more like an oil painting. And I love just the burnt orange, this color of the orange, and then also like a white, but it also has some green. Just perfect, I think, in terms of fall colors. It is a 20 by 20 size for $26.99, and that's before the 40% off discount. So I was pretty happy with this. It does have a wood frame, and so I'm not sure where this will be going, but I'm excited to decorate with it somewhere in our home. All right, and next up, like I said, I just cannot resist an adorable pumpkin. These to me look so high end and at great prices. The smaller one here is $11.99, again, before the 40% off. And it says that it is like a 6 by 6 in size. But I just love that it has all the wood grain detailing. And again, I just think it looks super high end. I think this looks like something that you could get at Pottery Barn, and it would be much, much more pricey. And then the larger one is $19.99, and its size is about an 8 by 8 approximately. I love that it's kind of flat here on top, and then it has the stem that kind of curves. And so I definitely probably will be displaying them together somewhere with some florals to just jazz it up a bit. Also from Hobby Lobby, I did have to pick up this adorable little pumpkin core doormat. How adorable is this? This was $14.99 before the 40% off discount, and I will insert a picture of it laying on that scatter rug. I think it's going to look so good. It just pulls out all of the colors. But I thought this was adorable last year, and so when I saw it again this year, I thought, you know what, just to change it up a bit, I'm going with the pumpkin shaped neutral pumpkin to just set everything off at our front door. Also at Hobby Lobby, I love going down their small pick aisle. And so this was one of my first items that I saw, and I believe that it is new for this year, but I love the shape of these leaves. The coloring is so pretty, They have different colors, so it makes them look a little bit more realistic. They are $2.99, again, before the discount. I sound like a broken record, sorry. But for this, I went ahead and got, I think, 5. I like to pick up things in odd numbers, just in case I want to decorate with them in a line. You always have 2 on the sides and 1 in the center. And so I think I'll be using these maybe in our garland on our mantle. That's kind of what I'm thinking, but you never know. Once I start decorating, I start pulling from different things and creating different arrangements. But again, I thought these were absolutely adorable. The veining is so great on these as well, and I loved the coloring. All right, and so I did want to share a couple of florals. I didn't get to share those in my video, so I do want to go back for a part 2, go through the florals and go through other aisles in Hobby Lobby, because I did spot some things that I think would be perfect for fall, and like their pictures and things like that. But one of the new florals that I saw, now they did have this in a garland, which I think I might be going back to get, and a wreath. But look how pretty this is. It's very like drapey. It's a paper-like material, but just look at the yellow. I think it's so pretty. It's just a perfect color for fall. And because of the movement and the wispiness, I think it just will create a really pretty arrangement, maybe in a garland, maybe just in a vase of some sort on a coffee table. And so I just love this. It also has maybe some little berries right here on it. And so I think this is really pretty. And I think it is new. And so it's $9.99 for this bunch. And so I did pick up a couple of these, maybe to add somewhere in my decorating for fall this year. And then last but not least is another very large floral. This one is a little bit more pricey, $18.99, but you'll just want to pick up these items when they're 40% off so that you get them at the best price that you can. But I love the magnolia leaf. It kind of feels like velvet, which I think makes it look a little bit more upscale. Again, it has those moody, perfect colors for fall. They're so realistic. This has some branching. It also has some large pine cones, and if you feel these, they actually feel real. And then look how large the stem is. So you could definitely put these in a tall vase. But again, my creative mind is going towards making some type of garland with these on our mantle. So you'll definitely have to stay tuned for that and see how it all turns out. And then as I look around here, I actually forgot one piece from the Studio McGee line. So let me go ahead and grab that. The piece that I forgot to mention is this peel and stick wallpaper. Look how beautiful this is. I was so excited when I saw they came out with this pattern. I'd been looking for it. I'd looked on Amazon, different places, and this just came out in their kind of early fall release. I love it. This has kind of like an opalescent sheen to it, which I think just makes it pop. And it is a 20 by 16 by 6. And so I think it's supposed to cover 27.5 square feet. Where I'm wanting to place this is in our powder bathroom. So with fall decorating coming up, I'm not sure if I'll have time to get this done. I've never did wallpaper, so you'll have to let me know any of your tips and tricks for applying and putting this on, like, to get a more professional look. I'm excited, but also nervous to like put this up, but I think this will look gorgeous, and I can't wait to just kind of reveal the whole design that I have in my mind for our powder bathroom. So again, this, I believe, I can't remember. I went ahead and got 4 rolls of this, and I think it was around $34. And I'm thinking that I probably won't even have to use 1 roll, but just to be safe, I went ahead and picked up more than I needed. All right, sweet friends, that pretty much wraps up today's home decor haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing the early fall finds that I brought home with me. I love fall decorating, so I am getting super pumped and ready to share all of my ideas in my fall decorating series. So if you are looking forward to that, definitely give me a big thumbs up. And if you did enjoy today's video and haven't already, I hope you would consider subscribing. Now, as we end our time together, I always love to share a daily Bible verse. So today I'm going to be reading from Ephesians chapter 6, verses 10 and 11. Finally, be strong in the Lord and in his mighty power. Put on the full armor of God so that you can take your stand against the devil's schemes. This past weekend, our pastor actually did a really great sermon on this passage. So I'll go ahead and link 1122's service down below just in case you would like to watch. All right, well, friends, I appreciate you hanging out with me today. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you real soon in my next one. Take care and God bless. Bye.